Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Honor new smartphone, this is the first look of the upcoming Honor 30 Lite with a 48 megapixel triple camera. Honor is expected to unveil the Honor 30 Youth in China in the first week of the next month, July, which will likely arrive on the global scene as the Honor 30 Lite. There is no official word from Honor company about the upcoming Honor 30 Lite yet, but earlier today its spec sheet leaked, and now we got in images of the Honor 30 Lite from a reliable source, which give us our first look at the smartphone of the Honor 30 Lite. So the picture only show us the back of the Honor 30 Lite, having a design that gives an impression of sunbeams coming out from the bottom left corner. The back panel of the phone also has a rectangular plate in the top left corner, which houses 3 cameras and an LED flash. The text below and the right side of the camera confirm that the main module will have a 48 megapixel main sensor, and the smartphone will come with AI assist camera feature. The design of the Honor 30 Lite is reminiscent of the Huawei Enjoy Z 5G, which is not surprising since the Honor 30 Lite specs that leaked early today also match the specs of the Enjoy Z 5G. With the weight being the only expectation, the Honor 30 Lite is 10 grams heavier than the Honor Enjoy Z 5G. The Huawei Enjoy Z 5G was launched in China last month, and today the company announced the Enjoy 20 Pro, which is a rebadged Enjoy Z 5G of the offline market. So by the way, the Honor 30 Lite full spec surface, and it has a 90 Hz screen and Dimensity 800 SoC. According to the Tipstar, the Honor 30 Lite will have a MediaTek MT6873 at the helium. That is known as the Dimensity 800 SoC, meaning it will have a 5G. So the Honor 30 Lite will support a 6.5-inch 90 Hz display of 2400 by 1080p pixel resolution and run the Android 10 with EMUI 10.1 on top. Although it will likely not come with a Google service, so bad news for a Google service user. For photography, the Honor 30 Lite will have a total of 4 cameras, as you can see in this picture on a board: 16 megapixel selfie shooter and 48 megapixel main camera on the back, joined by the 8 megapixel 2 megapixel module, which could be the ultra wide and macro depth unit respective. Battery is the 4000 mAh battery, which will charge up to 22 volt. The specs might remain you if the Enjoy 20 Pro. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you want to this? I think this smartphone is little bit cheaper than the previously launched Honor 5G smartphone. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.